Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on Fairphone 5. So you have to start by opening your settings application. Now you have to scroll down and click on Google. Then click on all services and you have to find parental controls. Now click let's do this and click sign in. Here you have to enter your lock screen pattern. And now you have to enter your child email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your child password. Now click I agree. Then click accept and click on supervise. Now click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your parent password. Then you have to scroll all the way down and here you have to enter your child password again. Now you have to click next and click allow. Then click next and click done. And as you can see, my parental controls are now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.